Okay, I'm making a little progress on this Kadette. So far I had to replace 3 tubes, one with a diode, and then these two were, this one and this one were bad. And, ironically, I got this one here in the mail, and it's got a label on it from Fall River, Massachusetts, which is my hometown. I got it working. Got a 380 ohm, 50 watt power resistor to replace this thing, which is shorted. So that's what burnt out the tubes. That thing blew out the tubes. So what I'm going to have to do, though, figure out how to make it work. The thing stinks. That resistor is so hot that it actually smells because it's, it's sand-based and it's really hot. There's heat coming out of it. So I might have to double up and use 2 in series instead of 1, which means I would have to order 2 smaller ones. And put them in series so they don't get so hot. They'd split the voltage between the 2 of them. I don't know that would make much difference because they'd still have the same amount of wattage. They only got 34 watts going through it. It has 34 watts going through it, and it's rated 50 watts. But I don't understand why it has to smell. Maybe that'll go away as it runs a while. I've had it playing for a couple hours now on that one channel, which is my local channel. All the coils got really hot. This one got really hot, and the other one underneath, this one, I'm sorry, on top got hot, but that one really got hot. And so I'm having a lot of noise issues, but I got it set about the best I can get it with the least amount of noise. And just using my outside antenna, I was pulling in that local station, but I am barely getting the station 35 miles away, but you can't hardly hear it. So I don't know what to do. I get the right voltages on the tubes. I think it's mostly just these coils and stuff, but I'm going to mess around with it a little more and see if I can get it better.